Good day guys, welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing good. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design a simple church flyer, Ignite flyer. So without wasting much of time, let's get into the business of today. So the first thing you have to do right now is to go to your plus button, click from gallery, then go to your download where you actually put your image. So this is the image I'm using. Yeah, this is actually this one. This is what I'm using. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this, then you go to your relative size, then you increase it here. So can you see it? So after you increase it, just place it one something like this. Just bring it here, something like this, just shift it a little bit. So after that, next thing I'm going to do is to lock it. So can you see it is very nice. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to bring the church name. So just click on this from gallery, then click on logo. So let me click on logo. Any logo I'm going to be using. So let's say I'm using this actually. So after I do that, I have to place it all around there. So just leave it like that, just lock it and leave it like that. So after that, the next time I'm going to do is to right click on my text, then I'm going to write ignite like this, ignite. So after that, I'm going to go into my font, then change the font to something sonoftime KWYA. So this is actually the font, this one. So just increase it, go to your size, then you increase it. So just place it all around there. Good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on your text, then you write put on the lamp. So that is the essence of putting up the lamp, or putting the lamp in the design of using a lamp or lantern. So all the next thing I'm going to be doing, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to your font, then you change the font to something every fat face regular. Good. So I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So I'm going to place it here. Use it a little bit again. So I just want it to be aligned with this and with this. So let me increase it a little bit. Good. So that everything will be good. So I'm coming. Let me check if I can actually change. Let me lock this. If I can change the font for this. Let's check if we can use something outfit. So let's check on outfit. Outfit bold. If that stuff is bold enough. Outfit bold. So let's check. So I think this one is actually okay. Position it. Good. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to change the color. So we just go to your color, you click on plus button, you click on this look-alike brush, then you click on this. So you just choose the color from here. Let's choose the color from here. So let's go. So that is actually red. It's also red safe. Red. Good. So the red is okay. Cancel. So the red is okay. Yes. So you see it put on the lap. Ignite, put on the lap. So after that, the next thing we are going to do is to click on this plus button. You click on text. We are going to write ministry. Sorry, ministry, not ministry. Is it correct? Ministry, yeah. So just leave it like this. So after that, you go to your font again, then change it to autograph. So I'm going to be using autograph for it. Autograph font. So good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this our grid. Click on this. Then you make sure you put somewhere around there to be able to like to know if you are doing work that is rotate or not. Sorry, that is aligned or not. So go to it is aligned like this. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click, just leave the grid like that. So just click on this, put on the lap, duplicate it, then you write the name of your pastor, any pastor. So let me see, I want to write Pastor Boomer. sorry. So let's say I want to write Pastor Boma. Pastor Boma. So I'm going to give it something like this. Good. So after that, I'm going to go to my color, then change to white color as usual. So I'm using white color for that. So after the white color, I'm going to bring it here. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Then I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place it around there. Good. So can you see it? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on the plus button, click on shape, then I'm going to put it here. So I'm working. Now we are working with alignment. Good. So just place it around there. So I'm going to something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to give it the red color. Actually, the red color we are using this color actually. So I'm going to give it like that. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this, on text again, then you write date. Dates. Good. So after you write it, you go to your font. We are using just 3 fonts. So I go to your font, then you choose outfit. Let me see if you can see outfit semi-bold here. Outfit semi-bold. Good. So we're using outfit semi-bold here. So what is the next I'm going to be doing? So the next I'm going to do is to just increase, zoom your work, zoom it. Good. Then I'm going to place it around there. Good. So I'm going to place it around this. After that, just duplicate it. Then you write the dates. Let me say 23 08 2022. So let me check how to write the date here. So I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Then I'm going to place it to be aligned with this. So let me check if I can actually bring this one so that I can check it. So can you see it is aligned? So after that, you change the color to black color. So can you see? So let's zoom it back. Let's see what we're doing. So can you see we are actually doing okay? So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to duplicate this, actually this one, no, this actually one, this one. Duplicate this, then I'm going to place it around there. So what I'm going to do right now, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out the grid again, click on it. So let's zoom it. So let's put it here. So let's check if good. So can you see it? So the next thing you're going to do is to just place this one all around there. Then position is very well to be aligned with that. So can you see it? It is they align now. So let's zoom that, check if they align or not. Good. I think they align now. So can you see they align now? So what is the next thing I'm going to do now? The next thing I'm going to do is to just click on this date, duplicate it, then edit it to venue. So just write venue. Good. So after writing your venue, I'm going to place it here. So let me shift this one a little bit down. Good, so that we can actually place it too. So let's check what we're doing right now. So this one too should actually edit. So good. So after that, just click on this, then you write the venue, the place here. Just write at church auditorium. At church auditorium. Tutorial code. So just place it. Just do something like this. Then place it here. So can you see it? Good. So let's check what we did right now. Good. So can you see we are moving forward? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus button, click on text, then you write the church name. So let me see how to write Mr. Welch So let's say let's write wealth, 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 lift up. Let's lift up Jesus Christ, superstar house. Just for tutorial sake, we're change the capital letter. We're change to small letter. Just give only the wealth capital letter. The wealth should be capitalized in W. So you're going to something like this. Then go to your font. Then give it the outfit bold we just used right now. Semi bold I mean. So just put there. Then you decrease it. It will decrease it to it. So after you decrease it, finish. So just place it all around there. So let's check if. So you're going to make sure the logo is actually aligned with this. Good. So now I'm going to shift the logo. So let's go and unlock it. So good. So I'm going to shift the logo right now to actually somewhere around there. So let me use my position key to position it. Good. So the next thing is to put it somewhere around there. So can you see we are moving forward? Good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is if you have the website like the Facebook page, just click on here, then you write Facebook. Sorry. Then you write the Facebook. Then you have a Facebook page here. Then come around there. You make sure it is small. Good. Just place it around there. Then you click on any one of it, maybe the date on. Then you should write maybe at live.com. So let's check that there. That's the Facebook name as live.com. 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 So good. So the next thing I want to do is to bring it down here. Then zoom your work. And we are going to be reducing it. Good. So just zoom it and reduce it. So let's put it around there. So good. So can you see it right now? So let's position it very well to look more. Cool. So can you see right now? So this is how I got this. So you can actually go to your position, save as image and save as project. So save it as PNG, save it as very high ultra. So let me use ultra for this one. Save regularly because the high resolution image will be very much. So good. So this is how I got this. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get more updates from me. Thank you for watching up to now.